Look at what is happening today with oil prices. We all know that these activities they continue to punish the average individual, the middle class. And in today's video, I'm going to break down everything in depth. You're going to know about what's going on, how these wars are really fueling price increases, and how this is yet another log that has been put on the fire of inflation. You came here for the truth, so let me unveil that for you. My name is David Quintieri, and what I do here at this channel, the Money GPS, since 2011, has taken all that complex stuff, made it real simple. Now, in today's video, we're going to look first, number one, at oil prices. I want to show you what's going on. Yes, it's $100 a barrel. Brent, significantly higher. Brent being the international standard, we have to pay attention to it as well. If you look at safe havens during this crazy time, gold should be performing well. Silver should be performing well. But what's the story? Well, you could see it for yourself. Look, gold 44.93 coming down significantly. Silver 69.77. Let me tell you something. If you're part of the Finance Friday class, you heard me. I probably mentioned it on the previous YouTube video as well. The prices are getting too hot. Watch out. If you have made money, start to do some trimming. I didn't say go and sell everything. I didn't say to go hide in your bunker and sit on paper money. I did not say that. But the speculators were in the market, and I said, trim your winnings. This is for people who had bought paper assets, paper version of metals, and you made some money. Now it's time to trim. I talked about that. I was exactly correct on the timing as well. You have to watch out because when the speculators are in, they come out real fast. And where are they? They are now speculating in the energy markets, just one of those things. You don't see the speculation in Bitcoin right now. You don't see the speculation going on in other assets, but you're definitely seeing it in the energy markets. So let's keep our eyes on that. Now, I want to show you a few things today, but underlying all of this is that they call it now the E-shaped economy, replacing the K-shaped one in 2026. The middle class is spending in a nervous way. So what's happening is you have the top, the rich of the rich, they're doing well. Everything is fine for them. We know that. We know that. But those other individuals out there in the middle class, things are getting real uneasy for them. And of course, everybody in the bottom not doing well at all. So we're going to look at the details of this. I want to show you some facts about what is happening here today. You get the CNN stuff, you get the CNBC, the Bloombergs, but I can give you much, much more depth. I've literally just finished recording 2 hours with the Finance Friday class, but I want to give you at least a taste of what they get. Okay, so you're seeing the oil shock. It's having a big impact. You got to know something. It's not just oil. And yeah, you go to the pump and you fill up, and my goodness, it's expensive. But this goes deeper, much deeper, because it affects everything. What about fertilizer? Yeah, a lot of fertilizer coming from that area, feeding that area. That area is going to be in dire straits if they can't get fertilizer. What about all the other petrochemical products? We have not just oil, gasoline, diesel, we have many other things. You got jet fuel, heating fuel. What about plastics? That's another big one. And people just don't see the connections there. If we have sustained oil prices around this level, how long? Nobody knows. But the recession odds go parabolic. And the longer this goes on for, it starts getting real hot. Okay? That's the big risk here. Because there's no strategic petroleum reserve that they're going to suddenly magically fix the problem. That is not what that is for. You can't fix this overnight. You have problems that are going to be fundamental. And that is, for example, think about this, plastic. Think about the things that are around us that are plastic. Everything. Okay? Even you go to the store and you go buy clothing, they sell plastic clothing. And even if it's not 100% plastic, it's got some plastic in there. They're throwing it in everything. What about containers that you keep your food in? Not their Tupperwares, but you go to the store, you buy the box of spinach, you buy the box of salad. Plastic. I could go on and on. petrochemical products are everywhere, everywhere. And now those, if you're buying from, let's say China is using the oil from the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, Iran, and they are going to experience higher prices. They already are. They already are immediately. This is a definite problem. We could look deeper at these things. There's a lot to this, in fact, but this is just my alpha radar. I built some new features that are only available to those in the software. So you got to be part of the software tier, but I just wanted to show it to you. Okay. So, but software tier and higher. So that's the members of the Finance Friday. Those people are getting this, but there's also the software tier. So people who they don't want to be in the Zoom classes, but they want like the the big intel, the deep intel. And that's kind of this right here. I just did a scan just before we went on to see if there was anything new. And this, kind of gets us into the deep intelligence. I can show you a little bit. I can't show you everything just out of respect for those who are, paying to get in there. But you can see that this, it's hard to show on this screen, but you could see what's going on, and we get a timeline, for example, of these events. And there's a lot that has happened, but these things all start to tie in together. And you start to realize that there's been, these events that took place years ago, and they're starting to unfold now. About, the 7 countries and so on. I didn't want to get into all of that, but there's a lot that's been happening here. So you can, by the way, just click on any one of these. It opens up this really cool looking folder, and you'll see that these actions that are happening, it's kind of all been planned. All been planned. Who stands to gain? Well, certainly the military-industrial complex does. That's for sure. Anyway, there's a lot in there. And some other cool things, the Whisper Net, which is pretty cool. You could see this for yourself. So it goes and searches through all of these other, foreign intelligence, Telegram, all these different kind of strange places where it pulls data that you can't find it. Okay, you're not going to find it anywhere on Western websites. It dissects it, finds what's interesting in relation to, potential opportunities or just unusual events, and translates that and brings that in here. And you'll see a lot of the stuff that we're seeing right now. You can actually break that down. And if I go to here, global, no, I could do this one, and I can do a scan on there, and you'll get just those countries. But that's the idea there. And then Insider Watch is another cool one, which is relevant. Do you want to watch these things? So what is Insider Watch? It's going to search through and see the Congress traders. We already know about the Congress traders, Nancy Pelosi's and so on. But what about the legislation that's directly connected? Like, how are they going to benefit from this trade? Because you're looking at the trades, but it's important to see the context. And then you see, oh, they're promoting a war. And then, by the way, they got this, legislation coming through, war happening. Oh, and they bought this particular defense contractor a week before the war started. You know what's going on. You got to follow this stuff. Even if you're not going to touch those stocks or whatever, you got to know what's going on just to stay in tune with the circumstances. That's what Insider Watch is all about. So that's why I built it. It's not like, there's potential alpha generation, but it's more than that. It's to follow the money. That's what it's really all about. And by the way, alpha finders in here, we could look for all kinds of different things. You could see some of the bets that are happening right now. If I show you this, it basically just shows weird, unusually large bets that are happening on Polymarket. And the idea here is somebody makes a bet and they say, I think that some country's going to get attacked tomorrow, or the war is going to be over tomorrow. And there's like this $250,000 bet that happened, and it's a brand new account, or it's an account that consistently wins a lot and they happen to know something. Well, you've probably seen this in the news come up a lot. Well, I built a feature that scans those things and just shows it to you. Okay. That's that, people gamble on different games or whatever, but that doesn't, I put it in there, but it'll scan them all, and you'll find that you'll see the things. Oh, this country's doing this guy's doing that. They just go and find some wild stuff. You see where the money is going, and there's a lot of insider activity. So you get insider trading on stocks. Now there's insider activity on the betting markets. I cover that all here. And I'm not just mentioning that to talk about my software, but I'm saying this because we have to follow the money. And when I do that, it always comes back to the same thing. And that is, there are some people that are doing so well, and they're inside in this E-shaped economy, that are going to continue to have more power, more control, and more leverage over the average person. These are the things that we have going on today. We need to be aware of it and hopefully try and buffer our circumstances as best as possible. Very difficult to do, I'm not going to lie. But we got to do things. We got to trim the bottom. If there's any extra expenses, let's try and cut those. And on the top, we got to do what we can to make more money, more income. I would hope that, people are trying their best to do what they can to, try to improve their circumstances. It's hard, I know, but the most important thing is to be comfortable with the uncomfortable. That's the way I like to look at it. And I'm trying new things every day, creating apps. I'm doing all these different things, and just, trying to improve my circumstances as well. I want to be buffered from this because inflation is going to pick up. It's a war today, it's whatever tomorrow, and we just want to be prepared. I appreciate you being here today. Hit that thumbs up button. I'm trying to bring out more content. I know there's so much groundwork that has to happen in order for this to occur. At the same time, I'm trying to improve things for those who are, see, one fresh just loaded up right there. Out by March 31st, this guy just bought in $110,000. Here we go. Somebody's betting. By betting no, by the way. So follow this. Look at these things. You don't have to use my software. Just go out there, follow the money, and hopefully it will benefit you. Do what you can. Try to improve your circumstances. To support this video, just hit that thumbs up button. If you want to know more, themoneygps.com. I hope to see you soon. And I'm just trying to bring out more content, more videos as best I can. Look for more. I will be doing it in like a regular basis. I'm just trying to create content when I can and when it's meaningful. So look for some more soon. Take care.